to add your own sound on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the plus button at the bottom, which will open this page. Here, click on Add Sound at the top. After you click on Add Sound, click on the magnifying glass-like option at the top right of the white screen. Here, click on Discover More Sounds. Then click on Your Sounds. Now you'll find two options: import sound from video or import local sound. You can simply click on Import Local Sound and select sound from your device. You can select one of these and press on Import Sound at the bottom. Now you can also click on it, then press on the tick mark to use it. You can do the same process by importing audio from the video as well. After you do this, you're good to go. You can film this in your own sound. This is how to add your own sound on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.